Two towns A and B are connected by a regular bus service with a bus leaving in either direction every T minutes. A man cycling with a speed of 20 km per hour in the direction A to B notices that a bus goes past him every 18 minutes in the direction of his motion and every 6 minutes in the opposite direction. What is the period of the bus service and with what speed do the buses fly on the road? Now, let's take this is town A and this is town B. Now here, so a person is cycling and his velocity is in this direction. He is going from A to B. So here velocity is 20 km per hour. Now, let's take when the first bus, okay, or any, when one bus crosses this person from A to B, one bus is going from A to B. So when one bus crosses this person, let's take the second bus is at this point. So here the time gap between these two buses is equal to t minutes. And let's take velocity of bus equal to Vb. Then distance between these two consecutive buses is equal to velocity into time. Velocity of the bus into time gap between the two buses. So Vb into t. Now we'll write this in terms of, so this time we will write this in terms of hours. So Vb into t by 60. So these many kilometers. This is the distance between successive buses. Now here, velocity of this bus equal to Vb and velocity of the person is 20 km per hour. So relative velocity is equal to, in this case, both are moving in the same direction. So that's why relative velocity equal to Vb minus 20. Now, time taken to cover this distance. Here distance is nothing but Vb into t by 60 kilometers. Here time taken to cover this distance is equal to distance by relative velocity, nothing but Vb into t by 60 by relative velocity Vb minus 20. He has given that value equal to 18 minutes. So is equal to 18 minutes converted into hours. Right. So that implies Vb into t by 60 into Vb minus 20 is equal to 18 by 60. So 60, 60 cancel. Now coming to second case. Now in the second case, this is town A and this is town B. Now here the person is here. He is moving in this direction with a speed 20 km per hour. Now bus is going to cross this person in this direction. That means bus is coming from town B. So crossing in this direction. When one bus crosses this person, another bus will be here. Now the distance between these two buses will be same as previous one, nothing but Vb into t by 60 kilometers. This is the distance between these two buses. Now here this bus, second bus is also moving in this direction. So here velocity of the bus is Vb. Now man and bus, these two are moving in opposite direction. So here relative velocity is Vb plus 20. Now, the time taken by the bus to cover the distance is equal to Vb into t by 60 by distance by relative velocity, nothing but Vb plus 20 is equal to 6 minutes. So 6 by 60, we have to convert it into hours. This 60 will be cancelled. So that implies Vb into t by Vb plus 20 is equal to 6. Let's take this one as equation 1 and this one as equation 2. Now we are going to divide these two equations. 1 divide 2. So that implies if you divide 1 and 2, this is equation 1 and that is 2. So VB plus 20 by V, so VB into T by VB minus 20 by VB into T by VB plus 20 is equal to 18 by 6. 6 1 ja, 6 3 ja. VB into T cancel. So that implies VB plus 20 by VB minus 20 is equal to 3. So that implies VB plus 20 is equal to 3VB minus 60. So that implies 2VB equal to 80. So that implies VB equal to 40 kilometer per hour. So velocity of the bus equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Now I want to calculate time duration between successive buses. So that's why substitute this VB value in equation 2. So that implies 40 into T by 40 plus 20 is equal to 6. So that implies 40 into T is equal to, so 40 plus 20 is 60. 60 into 6, 360. So here 0, 0 will cancel, 4 1 ja, 4 9 ja. So that implies T equal to 9 minutes. So for every 9 minutes, one bus will start from two towns.